Good morning, my dear friends. Welcome to PRCUMP. The official website is prccump.org. In today's session, we are going to give you a small demo regarding the run command. Like we sometimes use some application like MS Paint, Notepad, in which I have to go through the accessories in case of Windows, and from the main menu, I have to go down to accessories and then. But instead of moving through those options, which is sometimes time consuming, we can press a little command through which we can obtain that particular notepad or MS Paint. All you have to do is press window button and R at the same time. This command menu option will come up, and press MSPINT, press enter. See, your MS Paint opens up. Again, if you want to run the notepad, same, press window and R button and write notepad, and with this help you can do the same thing like notepad or any other thing. So this is the simple option in command menu like window and R button through which you can um, run any application in shortcut. So this is all for today. Thank you for being with us. We guys used to provide government certificate course on computer, provide technical course on C++, Java, BB, and provide maintenance on computers, sell dry fruits, and design banners, flex and posters. Call is 84208 Email is raspaman6@gmail.com. Thank you for being on and stay for updates. And wish you happy puja. Thank you.